Are you facing Aadhaar verification problems while registering for the SSC exam? This video has the solution to your problem. Today we'll learn how to verify your Aadhaar on the SSC website. This is an important step for registration and applying for upcoming exams. Open your browser. Chrome is recommended. Now type ssc.gov.in in the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, click on the Login or Registration button on the top right corner. If you do not have an account, click Register and continue. I will explain the next steps in the rest of the video. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. Fill in the CAPTCHA and click Login. Now you will see a pop-up window saying Verify your Aadhaar or Get your documents verified. Click the cross mark to close the pop-up. You will now be taken to your personal details dashboard. Here you will be asked if you have an Aadhaar card. If yes, click Yes and proceed. If not, click No and upload the required document. Now enter your Aadhaar number. Type it again to confirm. Tick the declaration checkbox. Click on the Send OTP button and enter the OTP received on your mobile number. Scroll down to the mobile number section. Click Send OTP again to verify your mobile number. Enter the OTP you received. Now click Send OTP again to verify your email ID. Enter the OTP you received for your email. Once done, click the Save and Next button and press OK. If all your personal details are correct and you do not need to make any changes, scroll down and click Save and Next again. Click on Review OTR to see your full details. If needed, click Print to get a copy. Finally, click the Declare button. Your Aadhaar verification on the SSC website is now complete.